Okay. Ito naman, very quick lang. Merong happy na product, na service mula sa GCash ngayon, no? Because now, GCash users can request birth certificates, marriage certificates through their application in partnership with the Philippine Statistics Authority. So ito po ay one-stop shop digital service. It saves time, transport costs, and queuing kasi nga digital na, no? So, ano yung mga PSA document na maaaring makuha through the GCash app? So, pwedeng birth certificate, marriage certificate, death certificate, Senomar o yung ating certificate of no marriage at saka Seno-death, certificate of no death. Pero meron palang ganun, ano? So, ang ginawa po dito ay, yun na, hindi na tayo pupunta sa PSA para pumila doon, ano? So, na-streamline na yung process natin dito. So, yung pagkuha ng birth, death, and marriage certificates ay 290 pesos each. And yung naman pong Senomar and Seno-death ay 345,000 pesos each. So, paano ito gagamitin? So, ang first step po natin dyan, yan, no? Punta tayo sa GCash app, go to GLife. Ang step 2 natin, itap natin yung icon of the PSA to access the PSA Helpline PH. And then step 3, select your order for the certificate you need. Step 4, authorize and fill up details and confirm your order. And step 5, proceed with payment and wait for your order. Kapag nagawa nyo na po yung step 5 na yan, you make sure lang na i-check lahat ng details na in-input mo before placing your order para tama po ang makuha ninyong dokumento, no? Here are just some other reminders. Ang processing and delivery po nito ay typically 1 to 3 days for PDF at 3 to 8 days naman for delivery. So yung PDF file po ay portable document file, which means ito po ay soft copy. So 1 to 3 days business days mo makukuha. Kapag ito naman ay for delivery, gusto mo ng hard copy, so 3 to 8 days naman daw po yan, no? You must be a fully verified GCash user with correct name and birth date on profile. And yung fees natin will depend on the type and delivery choice. Kung ito po ay PDF lamang o kaya kailangan nyo talaga ng physical printed copy. Mayroon naman pong seal of guarantee mula sa Philippine Statistics Authority ang serbisyong ito kasi ito po ay 100% digital product in PDF form which is tamper-proof according to the PSA. Mayroon po itong ini-issue na digital certificate, no? Na ito ay authentic and carry the full legal weight of a traditional issued document. So yung printed at saka yung digital, pareho po yan dapat na acceptable. Ayan. Ako po si Sir Vince, ang inyong financial guru nagsasabing ang pagyaman na pag-aaralan at napagtutulungan.